our representative before in Spain, half-brother of Teodora Alonso, uncle of Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay? And this is his wife, Teodora Formoso, who had a secret affair to the captain of the Civil Guard and locked in this room po. Okay? Now, in the year 1800s, Jose Alberto Alonso built another parts of the house. But later on, he sold it to Doña Magdalena Arevalo Leyva. And Doña Magdalena passed this house to her daughter named Doña Isabel. Doña Isabel, she's a beauty queen po before. She became Queen of Luzon, December 30, 1926. So our beauty queens po before, we call them Carnival Queen. But nowadays, we call them Binibining Pilipinas. Okay? Doña Isabel got married to Macario Marco, and they had a beautiful daughter named Doña Pilar. Doña Pilar inherited the whole house and got married to Zoilo Alberto, nephew of Jose Alberto Alonso. So that's why the ownership of this house came back to the Albertos family. So this is the Albertos mansion of Binyan, located po at the plaza. As of now po, here in the resort, the first part of the house, it's one of our show houses. And then the second part of this house po on its ground floor, it's a restaurant called La Bella Teodora, meaning in English, the beautiful Teodora. So they serve Italian foods like pizza and pasta. Okay? Right, so once again, this is our Casa Binyan from Binyan, Laguna. Now, I'll give you po muna free time to roam around and take pictures. So don't worry, no one will join you in the picture. Okay? Alright, so again for the group, we cannot sit na po sa mga furniture po natin. We might fall po kasi.